Hey there, guys. I am recording this quick video because I had mentioned in this group that I ordered Presonus's new Revelator USB mic, and I wanted to just give you my thoughts about it. I originally had a Audio-Technica studio mic on the desk. It had a big kind of articulating arm mount, and it was really in the way, especially now that I'm shooting with multiple camera angles. So depending if I was shooting this way, I could kind of get most of it out of the shot and just have the microphone. But if I tried switching the camera view, then all of a sudden you were seeing this huge piece of equipment in the way. So I really wanted something that would make a cleaner space. USB microphones are typically not well thought of, in the audio world. But there is a lot going on with this particular microphone that I thought it would be worth a try. And what I do love about this thing is that it is such a small form factor. It just sits on my desk right here. It makes for a much better video shoot. I will tell you that in testing it and listening really carefully, my studio mic is still a richer, better sound, but I really don't have a lot of control over it. So, and in addition, you have to have a device on your desk, a MIDI device, an audio interface to be able to plug in the XLR mic and then plug that into your computer. All of that goes away with this microphone. This is a simple USB mic, but what is not so simple is all of the technology that is baked into this mic. So I'm going to hold it up and show you that probably not hearing me as well right now, but there are some presets right here on the mic and some controls that you're able to control gain and volume to your headphones if you wear headphones. But really interesting is the custom routing software that exists in here. And I'm not going to do a whole screen share and all of that stuff because I just wanted to make a quick down and dirty video for you. But effectively, you get a virtual mixer, a digital mixer that not only allows you to dial in the settings for the microphone, and I mean really detailed settings. They give you a full digital fat channel that you can click on and expand and adjust everything from the gate to de-esser, compression, EQ, really incredible controls, frankly, outside of my realm of knowledge for audio. So I'm just going with the standard male broadcast preset. I'm sure I'll learn in a little bit how to dial this mic in better, make it sound a little bit better for me. So the custom routing software, what that allows you to do is mix minus. It allows you to ensure that if you're doing an interview over Zoom or Skype or whatever you're using, that you can actually do custom routing that is built right into this microphone. You use the digital control center on your computer, and you are able to set these loop backs, basically set the incoming audio and the outgoing audio as you would if you were using a Rodecaster Pro or a Zoom P4 or a Zoom P8 or whatever you're using. So effectively, you can use this microphone as a USB mic, get, I think, pretty decent sound out of it. I might be coming in a little hot right now. I haven't, really dialed in my gain perfectly, but I'm really enjoying this. And here's the killer. All of this technology is under $200. This microphone was $179. It just released. So for me, again, I'm a big believer in good enough. I'm really not looking for perfection. I want my shot to be good enough. I want my audio to be good enough because I just want to produce. I just want to make stuff and get it going. I don't want to be in the weeds with editing or, getting too crazy with my sound engineering. So for me, not saying for you, that you might need to have everything dialed in just perfectly if your audience is audiophiles. My audience are salespeople, realtors, loan officers, insurance agents, solopreneurs, consultants, and coaches, and they just need really good content in their ears. So I'm not too worried that that I'm giving up too much by working with this mic. So that's it. That's my quick review and recommendation. If you haven't checked out Presonus's Revelator, this is certainly unpaid. I am not an influencer. Revelator didn't send this to me for free, or I should say Presonus didn't send this to me for free or anything like that. It's just my public service announcement that if you've been looking for something that is a smaller form factor with a lot of technology built in, for streaming, for podcasting, then this might be the mic for you. So I hope that was helpful. Again, Presonus Revelator, it just came out. I got mine at B&H for about $179. I know that Sweetwater has it as well, and I'm sure you'll be able to find it at your favorite electronics retailer. All right, that's it. Happy Friday, guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.